Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily track all quests in Heartopia game through the map. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to join the game, and once you join the game, you need to go to the map. You can open up the map right here, and then you will see all the NPC locations. Okay, and then if an NPC has a quest for you, it will shows a sign like this. For example, this is Annie, and you can see this icon. I don't know what it is called, but this orange icon, it means that Annie has a quest for me. The quest is called Little Miracles Tantrum. And then you can track the quest like this. And you just need to follow the sign to find Annie. And then let's try another NPC in Heartopia. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, I'm going to select this NPC. Okay, this is Andrew. There is no sign, and it means that he doesn't have a quest for me. Okay, and I've already completed my quest, so there is no sign. Okay, Bernie, there is no quest. Okay, the only NPC who give me a quest for now is just Annie. Okay, I have no quest from the other NPCs. Okay guys, and that's how you can track all quests in Heartopia game through the map. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!